right, that was one package of our gnocchi in our crock pot. Now I'm gonna come in with my 1 pound of cooked Italian sausage. You can use the spicy or the mild, and we're putting that whole entire pound right in there with our gnocchi in our crock pot. This is a super easy crock pot dinner that everyone will love. Now I have my canned tomatoes with garlic, basil, and oregano in it, not drained. We're gonna put all those juices with that tomato right into our crock pot with our sausage and our gnocchi. Now I have here 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce that we're gonna add into this as well. Oh, it smells delicious already. Okay, right in there. Now I have here some minced garlic. This is optional, but I love some extra garlic in here. You can use fresh if you prefer, but I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of this minced garlic right in there because the more garlic, the better. Last thing we're gonna add is 1 can of beef broth right in there to give some good liquid and moisture to this easy dinner. Oh my goodness. It's Italian, it's easy, it's right up my alley. We're gonna bring back our spoon and we're gonna give this a generous mix. That beef broth will help those gnocchis cook, and this cooks super fast. It's one of the fastest crock pot dinners that I've ever made, and it tastes so good. You could add some additional seasonings, but this is great for just like a weekday dinner, or if you're super busy with your weekend plans, you can just set it and forget it. But this is ready to start cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lid and we're gonna pop this on high so that it can cook super fast. All right, it's been 1 hour on high. Let's go ahead and turn this off and let's check out our soup. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I told you guys this was a quick crock pot recipe, literally only 1 hour, and those gnocchis look like they expanded perfectly. Everything is heated up beautifully. It is time to give this a try. Oh. Now, is this a soup? Is it a stew? What would you call it?
I would say it's a soup.
All right, we'll start with that. And then of course, the only thing this is missing, some cheese. We're topping this off with some shredded Parmesan because we can. Oh, I cannot wait to give this a try. This is such a great and easy little recipe. I hope you guys try it and love it. Let's do. That looks like the perfect little bite.
Is it good?
That is so good. Oh, you have to try it.